Hiya! So I thought that I'd welcome you to this vlog today, and when I say vlog today, it's actually the last couple of weeks filming things as I go along. These are sort of things that I do and that inspire me. I wanted to do the vlogs as well as the art tutorials because I feel that they influence me, the things that I go and visit and see, whether it's going to a charity store or an art gallery or a museum or the theatre. All of these things influence what I'm visually seeing and what I'm interested in creating, so that's why I'm sharing it with you. Hopefully you're enjoying these vlogs. Just bear with me because I'm just getting used to filming these because they're obviously slightly different than the art tutorials. Starting off with Baddesley Clinton, a National Trust property.
What they're doing. Paparazzi.
What are you watching, Layla? pretty. How lovely are these by the Christie? So I just thought I'd show you that I've got my new t-shirt on from the boot sale. I've got it on with my barrel jeans and my Mary Jane shoes, and yeah, I really like it. It feels so lovely. And then this is one of the shirts that I got. These car boot sale numbers were about 50p. I think the most I paid was £1.50, and it's gone double denim. And I really like it. It's actually a next top, so it's got really nice detail on the shoulders. Got it cut out. So, yeah, another top. This is really quite cute. It feels really nice. Yeah, I've just tucked it in with my jeans, and I could probably wear this for work as well, but it actually looks quite nice just casually, like a weekend sort of outfit. But yeah, I really like it. It's a Zara top, so, and it had the ticket on it, so I think I got a bargain there. It's like £1 or something. And then this one is just a little pale yellow cardigan, which I thought was quite cute. I think it's a H&M, an old H&M, and yeah, I might wear it with a little button just on there. I also wanted to say that I've got this little denim. I thought it would be like a nice little dress, but I didn't think so. So I'm wondering whether to cross it just a little bit further down and wear it as a top, because I think that would be quite nice as a top. Quite into denim at the minute. So this top is actually, I got it from Bernardo's the other day. It's an old Zara top, and I've just given it a wash and it feels really nice. I like the fact it's cropped. I put it with some barrel pair or black trousers that I wear for work, and my Mary Jane, here comes Layla, my Mary Jane little shoes, which are so handy because they're flat, easy to work in. So yeah, just really good. So hope you like. That's my cup of tea, by tea I think it is. And what I want to do is I want to prep up for the next video that I'm going to do, the next textiles tutorial. So I've got this folder here of some designs that I want to do. So let me just have a look at those. So I've prepped up quite a few different smocking patterns on these A3 sheets of paper that I've laminated and everything. So I feel like the next one that we're going to do, I did have a bit of an idea. I've tried to sort of think about it in terms of the level of the smocking. So some of the patterns are more difficult than others. I know when I get messages and comments on YouTube, people struggle with certain designs, and some are easier definitely than others. So like the bones pattern, the lozenge, that would be a good one to do next, because I'm trying to do sort of some of the easier ones first. That won't do just yet. Flowers and diamonds. Yeah. Okay, right, so what we'll do is, I think this one, we'll do that one another time. This one, the bones pattern, as I said, it's really easy obviously to draw out, and it's on a 1-inch grid, and so all I need to do now is just choose some fabric to go with this design. I've got these ones already cut up. A lot of the fabrics that I've been putting together are ones that I've got from jumble sales and charity shops, and old fabric that I wasn't using, so I've just cut some of those up, and I've done loads of different fabrics, A3 size, so that I can use them. Some I will need the light box with, and some I'll be able to just trace straight through the fabric. Like this is a really thin fabric, and pink and shade the edges. We try to avoid fraying, although sometimes that does happen anyway. What colour do I want to use for this next one? There's the red that I did for the heart pattern that you may have seen recently in one of the tutorials that I did. I love that one, pink stripy one. I want to go for something maybe that I haven't particularly used before. Like that's quite a striking kind of colour, isn't it? That might be nice. Oh, and this blue one. Yeah, I don't think I've used blue for a little while. So yeah, when I'm planning for the textile tutorials that I do, just try and write down kind of ideas that I have for tutorials that I think people may like. And as you know, I've been on a bit of a journey with smocking. I've been doing smocking for some time now, and it's just something I'm mad into. I feel like it's got a lot of potential. I feel like if I switch up the fabrics and the scale of it, that they can go very sculptural, they can be used in fashion. So yeah, I feel like I've got so much more to give with the smocking. So yeah, that is where I'm going with it. Just wanting to develop it really. So I tell you what, I think that I've got this sorted now for the next tutorial. I think I'll probably do this bones pattern and this blue cotton fabric that I've got there. Can we see through? Yeah, we don't even need the light box for that one. I'll save that one for another time. We'll just keep those for now. Yeah. So yeah, I am just going to set this up for the next tutorial. So I've kind of propped these sculptural smocking pieces up on the wall so I can keep looking at them and seeing what works. They're all different designs, different patterns. I would absolutely love
to develop these further. So I don't know what that means, whether it means that I could do some sort of artist in residence workshops. I'm also really enjoying doing the fabric ones as well. And you're coming along on the journey with me by watching. So thank you very much, because it does show me sort of what is working and what could be developed more. Or even you could have the smocking around the lampshade. Isn't that pretty? So yeah, it's just utilising and finding out ways of trying to use the smocking, not just fashion, but interiors. Like I've had these ones here for a little while. That was on neoprene fabric. Obviously that's the satin. Certainly I could do more of those. I'd see those used in fashion. I mean, I would love to wear tops that had those on the shoulders or on the sleeves, or a panel on the front of a top or the dress. She is loving this catnip crocheted mouse that a friend has done for her. Oh my gosh, she's just come across it and she's just loving it. She was fast asleep and now she's just... There it is. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, safely say she loves it. Whoa. There it is, Layla. Success. New toy, Layla. New toy.